I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can share TikTok videos on Instagram. Before starting the tutorial, I'd like to let you know about TikTok. TikTok is an app where you can create videos easily, join daily live streams, and find new creators. Now open up TikTok app on your phone. After you open up the app, be sure that you're logged in to your account. Then tap on your profile icon, which is on bottom right of your screen. Here you'll see all the videos that you have posted till date. Select the video which you want to share on TikTok. After you have selected the video, on your right hand side there you'll see three-dot menu icon. Tap on it. A pop-up menu will appear on your screen. Under share to, there you'll see the option of Instagram. Tap on it. It will now take few seconds to save the video. After that, select whether you want to share the video in your Instagram feed or in your Instagram story. This way you can share TikTok videos on Instagram. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.